Hello YouTube. Today we are going to do a little test of my motovlogging setup. We'll put a link in the video for you to see my motovlog setup with a smartphone. This is the LG V40 ThinQ, and I have my Gopro Session 4 as a dash cam. So this is a little test only. So my LG V40 is recording 40 with a plug-in with my internal helmet mic. This is pretty windy. The temp outside is about minus 16 degrees Celsius, but it's a great sunny day. I wonder how the wind noise will sound with this new setup. Have to be very careful with the ice. So this is on my Suzuki Vstrom 2012. I have the Oxford heated grips to keep my hand warm. Still recording. Nice. Black eyes there. Okay. That's it. That was just a little test ride with my new motovlog setup. So I hope it sounds good and it looks good too. Have a great day.